Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. If this is your very first time of being to my YouTube channel, my name is Aswiken Kingsley, your favorite online tutor. If you have any question at any particular time, please feel free to ask and drop your comment. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF file for your social media platforms. GIF files are the kind of files that play repeatedly on your social media platform like Facebook, your device, email, every other social media platform, Twitter and all that. How you can create any part of your video footage as a GIF file. You can use image with animated write-up, animated text to create a GIF file. You can also use a video file, any kind of video file, whether it's in phone format or the normal video format for YouTube and TV and all that. So I'm going to import a video file which I'm going to use to create this GIF file. So let's go to, let me use this reverse effect. This is a video I created just a few days ago, and I'm going to be posting this video very soon, which I'm going to be putting on top of this video or at the end of this video. But I'm going to be creating this GIF file with this video now. Let's get to the point where I want to use for this GIF file. So I'm going to be using here, I'm going to cut here, delete here. Let me expand the timeline. Cut here. Delete. So I'm going to use this file. Let's play it. Cut here. Delete. So this is the file I'm going to use. This file. So what I have to do now is copy this file or Ctrl+C, come to this point and paste this file. Now shift it and join it with this one so that the video can be able to repeat. Let's play this video now. Now I'm going to reverse this particular second one that I pasted. Speed and duration, reverse speed. Okay. Once you create this file now, you go to export, create video, come down here, GIF file. I'm going to name this GIF B and say export. So we are done creating this file now. All we need to do is find the target of the file. We're going to play this file and see the outcome of this GIF file. Open the folder. This is the file. Double click on it. As you can see, this image plays repeatedly. This is not a video, this is an image, but this is a GIF image. So it plays repeatedly, it can never stop playing. It plays like this on Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, your device, phone, tablet, virtually every social media platform. I created this GIF file in phone format. As you can see, it's longer, but you can still create it in the normal screen like rectangle format. So let's go and locate this GIF file and upload it on Facebook. My Facebook page, go to photo, locate the file, GIF B, double click on it. The file is uploading. So the file is done uploading. Let's post it. Once you post this video now, it will be playing repeatedly on your Facebook page or your Facebook personal profile. Here is the file. As you can see, it's written GIF. So once you touch this file now, it's not a video, it's an image. It will be playing repeatedly on your Facebook or anywhere at all you upload the file will be playing repeatedly like this. You can also add text to the file so that when it's playing, it will be playing with the text message that you wrote on it. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please hit the like button, and if you like to be seeing this kind of videos from this YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.